What's up, guys? Part 3 here. That was kind of weird, but I have 2 more I'm gonna eat right now. So last time did pretty good. Didn't get too worked up, and I was doing pretty good. Now I have 2, so I'm pretty nervous, but I'm back again with the milk and 2 water bottles. So did pretty good last time. Had some stomach pain, but I'll probably be posting on the same video, same day. So watch them both. I'm nervous. That's the first one. Here's the second one. Two ghost peppers. 2 dried ghost peppers, just ate. So yeah. Pretty much Spice King, but I have to drink milk because I don't want to die again. It is a lot spicier than last time. I'm doing better. Getting better at some spicy stuff. Part 4 will be me not drinking anything in the video. So yeah, subscribe.